So long silent movies, the quiet dances on the screen. So long to burning slowly, smelling sweat and kerosene. And all the actors on the stage are rolling cigarettes and whispering so low. Call my parents up, tell them I'm not coming home. So long silent movies, to waking early, staying late. I think I'll head on down to Reno and try my hand at real estate. And I'll fix up the Cadillac and find a girl who likes to dance so slow. Call my parents up, tell them I'm already home. But I swear I've seen my share of black and white. And I swear this screen never tells the story right. So long silent movies and all the talking in between. Cleaning dust off of the press box or fixing broken tape machines. Wasn't much of an actor, was I? I ain't much of anything at all. But I can't see those marquee lights that are hanging on the wall. But I swear I've seen my share of black and white. And I swear this screen never tells the story right. So I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again. No, no. I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again. No, no. I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again. No, no.